Welcome to an exciting new chapter for Pi Network. Today is a big day for cryptocurrency. The world of digital currencies is always evolving, and today marks a significant milestone. For millions of Pi Network users, all their waiting is finally paying off. The anticipation has been building up for years, and now the moment has arrived. The big news: PiDex is officially here. It's a new exchange made just for Pi Network. This platform is designed to bring new opportunities and possibilities to Pi users. Before now, people mined Pi on their phones but couldn't officially trade it or use it for anything. It was a waiting game, filled with hope and uncertainty. PiDex changes everything. It opens the door for Pi to join the bigger world of crypto. This is a game changer, allowing Pi to be traded and used in real-world transactions. PiDex is starting in March 2026. This means Pi is moving from being a closed test to a real, open money system. It's a significant leap forward for the entire Pi community. For the first time, users can find out what their Pi is really worth and be part of a working market. This transparency is crucial for building trust and value. This isn't just a small update. It shows that all the years of believing and working hard were worth it. The community's dedication is finally being rewarded. The Pi community is super excited because the dream of having real money value is coming true. This is a moment of celebration and joy for everyone involved. In this video, we'll explain what PiDex is, how it works, and what it means for your Pi coins. We'll dive into the details and show you how to make the most of this new platform. Let's get started. If you're new to Pi Network, here's a quick introduction. Pi Network wanted to make crypto easy for everyone. You don't need expensive gear, just a phone app. Users, called pioneers, mine Pi by tapping a button every day. This has created one of the biggest crypto groups in the world. Unlike most other coins, Pi started with millions of regular people, not just rich early investors. For years, Pi was in a closed mainnet. Users could send Pi to each other, but couldn't trade it for other money. This was done on purpose, to let the system grow strong before opening up to the world. The upcoming PiDex launch is the bridge that takes Pi from this closed system to the global money stage. For millions, this is the moment they've been waiting for. Let's talk about PiDex, the Pi decentralized exchange. Unlike regular exchanges, PiDex lets users trade Pi directly with each other, without needing a middleman. For the first time, pioneers can safely connect their Pi wallets and trade in a trusted place. No more risky promises or unofficial deals. PiDex is the official platform, approved by the Pi core team. It's made especially for Pi, and it works closely with the Pi wallet and browser for a smooth experience. The goal is to make trading as easy as mining. PiDex is the market where Pi's value will finally be decided by real trading. This launch is the start of a true Pi economy. Here's the big news. PiDex will let users trade Pi for popular stablecoins, USDC and USDT. This is a major leap forward for the Pi community, as it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for everyone who has been mining and saving Pi. Now, instead of just holding onto your Pi and waiting for its value to grow, you can actually swap it for digital dollars that are recognized and used all over the world. Stablecoins are tied to the US dollar, which makes them a reliable way to get real-world money. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that can swing wildly in price, stablecoins like USDC and USDT are designed to stay steady, so you always know what your Pi is worth when you trade it. For the first time, pioneers can turn their Pi into money they can spend, and even change it into their local currency if they want. Imagine being able to use your Pi to pay for groceries, buy a coffee, or even send money to family and friends, no matter where they are in the world. Trading with stablecoins, not risky cryptos, makes Pi's price clear and steady from day one. This transparency is crucial for building trust and encouraging more people to join the Pi network, knowing that their digital assets have a stable value. This move changes Pi from just an idea into a real financial tool. It's no longer just a concept or a hope for the future. It's something you can use, trade, and rely on in your everyday life. It's a smart step that will bring in new users and reward those who believed in it early. Early adopters now have a real reason to celebrate, as their patience and belief in Pi are finally paying off in tangible ways. Being able to trade Pi for stablecoins answers the question, how can I get real money for my Pi? Now the answer is simple. Swap it for stablecoins, and from there, convert it to cash or use it however you like. This is the moment Pi becomes truly valuable. It's the turning point where Pi steps out of the digital shadows and into the real world of finance. The connection to the US dollar is the final piece that makes the Pi economy real. It bridges the gap between digital currency and everyday spending, making Pi a part of the global financial system. The future of Pi is now something you can actually touch, spend, and share. With this new chapter, Pi is ready to make a real impact on people's lives everywhere. Now, let's talk about the global currency value, or GCV, that famous $314,159 for each Pi. This number has become a hot topic in the Pi community, sparking debates, excitement, and even skepticism. Why $314,159? It's not just a random figure. It's a clever nod to the mathematical constant Pi, multiplied by 100,000. This bold valuation is meant to capture attention and set a high bar for what Pi could be worth in the future. This number, which comes from the math constant Pi, is a bold statement from the community. It's a way for Pi supporters to show their belief in the project's potential and to inspire others to join in. The GCV is more than just a price tag. It's a symbol of ambition and unity. The idea is to make Pi's value high from the start, because it has so many users and such a big system. With millions of pioneers around the world, the community hopes that this strong network effect will help Pi gain real-world traction and adoption. PiDex will use this GCV as a goal, hoping to build a strong, steady economy around it. The platform aims to create a marketplace where goods and services can be exchanged using Pi, all while keeping this ambitious value in mind. But remember, this is an internal symbolic price. It's not a guaranteed market price. It serves as a reference point for the community, but it doesn't mean you can instantly sell your Pi for that amount. The real price will be set by how many people want to buy and sell on PiDex. Supply and demand, as always, will determine the true market value, and it could be much higher or lower than the GCV. GCV is a vision, not a promise, and its success depends on the community's support and real money flowing in. If enough people believe in Pi and use it for real transactions, the dream of a high value could become reality. It's an ambitious experiment in how crypto money works. Pi is testing whether a strong community and a shared vision can create real economic value from the ground up. The world is watching to see if Pi can reach this bold goal. Whether it succeeds or not, the journey itself is reshaping how we think about value, trust, and the future of digital currency. As Pi trading is about to start, there's one catch. There will be strict limits on how much you can sell at first. You won't be able to sell all your Pi at once, and that's on purpose. These limits stop too much Pi from being sold at once, which could crash the price. They help keep the market steady and growing slowly. They also make things fair, giving all pioneers, not just the big early holders, a chance to trade. Slow rollouts help the core team watch the system, fix problems, and keep everything safe. It's like opening a dam slowly, not all at once. While it needs patience, these limits protect the value of Pi and the health of the system. A stable launch helps everyone. Smart limits today mean a stronger Pi tomorrow. The journey to PiDex has had its good times and tough times. The mainnet launch in early 2025 was a big moment, letting pioneers finally move their Pi to real wallets. Unofficial trading of promises to pay caused prices to go up and down. Prices soared, then dropped as more Pi became available. Even with prices changing, The core team kept building, making partnerships and finding more ways to use Pi. Key moments, like the partnership with City Games and public talks by the co-founders, made people more confident. By late 2025, Pi's total value was almost $2 billion, even before open trading. Every challenge tested how strong the community was and prepared the way for this next chapter. Now, with PiDex, Pi is ready for its real debut as a global digital currency. The real Pi economy starts now. There's a lot of excitement, but also questions. The 314,159 on GCV is very ambitious. Some say it's not realistic, given how Pi's unofficial prices have been. Having enough money flowing in is another worry. Will there be enough USDC and USDT to support a lot of trading? Some technical things still need to be finished, like incomplete smart contracts and not much open source code. The core team has a plan, but these are real challenges as Pi moves towards an open mainnet. Pioneers should stay hopeful, but also be realistic. GCV is a goal, not a guarantee. The real test will be how PiDex handles actual trading and how much money flows through it. Success depends on the technology, the community, and continued belief. So, what's next for Pi and its global community? The launch of PiDex is just the start. Now is the time to get your wallet ready and finish your KYC, know your customer checks. Stay alert for when you can sell your Pi and for official updates. The real goal is an open mainnet, where Pi connects smoothly with the wider crypto world. Making Pi useful is key. The more things you can do with Pi, the stronger its value will be. The 314,159 GCV is ambitious, but real value comes from a thriving system where Pi is used a lot. The future of Pi is in the hands of its pioneers. Your involvement shapes what happens next. The journey has been long, but the most exciting part is just beginning. Long live Pi.